What's up, everybody? Wanted to do a little video talking about hand-to-hand tend-to-twos. So just last week, a little over a week ago, I cut my finger at work really bad on my right hand, index finger on my right hand, and I was super upset about it when I first did it. Not because of the injury or the pain or anything like that, but I was concerned about my training and swinging the mace primarily. But I'm a big believer in, movement is medicine, so I knew I wasn't going to stop training. I was just going to have to adjust what I was doing and how I was doing it, which is, I think, a very important lesson that goes beyond mace swinging. It's in every aspect of life, is that any day above ground is a good day, and you just can't give up, no matter what's going on. You got to take care of your body. You got to stay strong, stay healthy. And you never know. That's the kind of the golden lining with this one, is I've been able to swing the mace pretty well, even though I don't have the complete use of my index finger on my right hand, and it's just worked out. I've been training a lot of single arm anyway, and that's the most comfortable with the way my finger is, because when I do two hand, especially when I first did it, my other hand would kind of smash into it and I just didn't like it. But hand-to-hand tend-to-twos have been almost as good as they were before. So working out really well right now for me to continue training them as a primary focus. And what I wanted to talk about is, as you bring the mace over into order position and you got to grab it with your other hand, a trick to work with for casting is that as your other hand settles on the mace, let both of your hands give it a little shot up to help cast it into the next swing. It'll really help, because a lot of times doing single arm, especially as you get tired, you'll start to get kind of shallow on the pullover, and the angle of the mace head might not be in a good position. So if you can just squeeze with both hands for just an instant and then launch it back again, it'll help extend your sets and it'll help keep you going. I'll do my best to do a demo. Both hands. So give that a try, see if that helps, and we'll catch you on the next video.